My honey.
It's so beautiful! Ah! It's so beautiful.
Is there like a song, that anime song that goes with this bridge?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh. Sing it.
I don't know. Can you see? I don't know it. I can't
Fallen tree. Ah.
I hate everything about this.
Okay.
Yeah, move.
What the fuck?
I want to be on a road too. Oh, I want to be on that one with the spiders.
What the fuck? Okay.
Oh, I hate everything about this right now.
All right, let's go then.
You go first.
What? You're blocking my.
Go.
You're blocking my.
You just stop down.
All right, ready?
Nope. That fucking moved. That fucking tree just fucking. There's the snake.
Their tree moved? All right, let's go
That
this
way.
way then. Go.
Okay, go. Come on. Stop. Up there and then there.
Go.
No.
What do you mean?
Switch places with
What?
me. I don't want to be here. You go first.
What are you talking about?
Not-
You gotta go first.
No, I'm not going first through that.
Hey,
hole.
there's the fish. There's that fisherman. That's how he got down here.
Okay, cool, but like no, you go.
You go. Go. You're. Honey, just go.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. It's so gross. Oh my god. I gotta go back to LA. I'm done with the wilderness. Okay,
All right.
so we came that way?
So jump on the rock again and then jump over.
Okay. Fuck this. I fucking
Do it.
can't right now.
Just. You got it.
Okay, I'm on the rock. Where do I go now?
Jump past those dead leaves
I can't jump past that.
and then start running
Which way?
back the way we came.
Wow. That way?
Like, no, up.
That way. That way.
Yeah, go up there and then go up that path.
Oh, okay, I see it. Okay.
All right, ready? I'll be right behind you. Do it.
I hate this. I hate everything about this.
Jump.
No. I'm taking my time.
I don't know if you want to step on those dead leaves though.
No, I don't want to fucking step on the dead fucking leaves. I don't know where else I'm supposed to go.
Jump. That's how we got here in the first place.
There's spiders.
Jump. Welcome back. Welcome back. We're trapped here.
Unless you go first.
We're
Go first, please go first.
Welcome.
I can't do it.
Welcome back.
I can't do it.
Okay.
I can't do it.
Okay, watch out. My hun. Ugh. Oh yeah, that's a far jump.
I can't make that.
All right, then come through here. Come to the side.
I can't go through
The side. The side. There we go.
Fuck that! Fuck that, Andy! Fuck that!
All right,
Fuck
ready?
That. Let's go. I'm screaming so much. Oh, fuck this. Oh, hell no. Oh, shit.
What? What?
This is a bundle of sticks.
Hey.
See, I knew.
It's not somebody else's?
Well, I mean, I don't know whose else it is. Could be. I mean, there's nobody around. So, I think some of it is ours.
Yeah. Okay. Grab it. Is it wet?
There's a big ass bug. Oh fuck! What is that? Okay.
Oh no.
Well, that's okay because
It was wet.
no, it wasn't wet. It was. You can touch it. It's dry.
No, I'm good.
No, please touch it because it's just the wood. The bug is there.